Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where all of the mushrooms are in Heartopia. There are four kinds of mushrooms. There is the shiitake mushrooms, penny bun, button, and oyster mushrooms. So right now I'm in the forest and you'll be able to find the penny bun mushrooms all around the area. There's like no specific locations, I think. Maybe there is, but there's just too many. But you will kind of see them everywhere as you can see. There are also truffles in this area of the forest here. It's kind of random, so you kind of have to look for it. You'll have to look for this. Don't worry, you don't need any tools. And you're just going to press F and you're going to start digging with your hands. And as you can see, you'll have black truffles. And if you go to the fishing village, you'll be able to find shiitake mushrooms around the area. If you are in the like flower fields area, you are able to find these kind of mushrooms, which are the button mushrooms. Again, you'll find them all around the area. Last but not least, you'll be able to find the oyster mushrooms in the like onsen area here. And this is what they look like. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!